AI text to video is mind-blowing.
If you're trying to create videos with AI right now, you're hitting a wall. We all are. You find a tool, get excited, and then you see it. The limit. 10 videos per month? Buy tokens? Export in HD? That's a premium feature. It feels like you're being squeezed for every single clip.
I like it here.
They design these platforms to give you just enough to get hooked, and then they slam the paywall in front of you. You end up rationing your creativity, wondering, is this idea even worth one of my precious credits? And the worst part, even when you pay, you're often just paying for more limits, a bigger bucket with a smaller hole. You start calculating cost per video, stress over subscription renewals, and watch your budget get drained for what should be a simple, scalable process. Well, I'm done with that, and you should be too. What if I told you there is a website, one single platform that completely shatters that model? I'm not talking about a free trial that baits you. I'm talking about a way to generate AI videos that is, for all practical purposes, unlimited. No per video fees, no monthly caps that stop you mid-project, no downgraded watermarked exports. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create unlimited AI video with one website. This isn't a hype claim, it's a method. I'll walk you through the platform, reveal the specific workflow that bypasses traditional restrictions, and show you how to get stunning professional results without ever worrying about a counter or a quota. It's the key to scaling your content, your business, or your vision without scaling your costs. Now, it is critically important that you watch this entire video and follow the steps precisely, because to unlock this unlimited potential, we need to use the platform in a very specific way. There are settings to change and a process to follow. If you skip a step, you'll run into the same old limits everyone else does. I've tested this for weeks to perfect the approach, and I don't want to waste a second of your time. So let's get started. The website we're using is Qwen AI. This is a powerful all-in-one platform that most people aren't using to its full potential for video. Follow these steps exactly to get flawless unlimited videos. First, open your browser and go to the Qwen AI website. You'll need to log in with your account. If you don't have one, take a moment to sign up. It's straightforward. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a range of AI tools. Look for and click on Video Generation among the options. This is your gateway. This is the most important part. You'll see a box to input your prompt, your description for the video. Don't just type something basic like, "a man explaining AI." Here is exactly what you need to include to avoid errors and mismatches. Describe your scene and character in detail. For example, a friendly female scientist in a lab coat, standing in a modern laboratory, speaking confidently to the camera, saying, "AI text-to-video is mind-blowing." You must write, ensure the voice is perfectly synced to the mouth movements. Specify the voice character. Add, use a calm, authoritative, and professional female voice that matches the character. By giving these specific instructions, you're telling the AI exactly what you want, preventing that creepy mismatch where the mouth flaps but the voice feels detached. This is the secret to a professional result. Before finalizing, look here. You can pick from different aspect ratios: square for Instagram, vertical for TikTok, widescreen for YouTube. Choose based on where you're posting. After entering your powerhouse prompt and selecting your desired aspect ratio, hit Generate. Let the AI do its magic.
AI text to video is mind-blowing.
Once your video is ready, you have powerful options. Now, here's another incredible feature. See the option to upload an image? This lets you generate a video from a static picture. Let me test this for you. I'm going to upload this portrait photo. I'll use a similar detailed prompt, make this person speak warmly about technology with perfect lip sync and a friendly conversational voice. Let's generate. And look at that. The image is now animated, speaking naturally, with the voice and movements in perfect harmony. No extra tools needed. That's the complete workflow. To recap, log into Qwen AI. Go to Video Generation, use a detailed prompt that forces lip sync and voice matching, and then utilize their flexible options for aspect ratios and image uploads. By following these specific steps, you leverage Qwen AI not as a limited toy, but as a true unlimited video creation engine.